Correct.
So we've got this new project, which is a right-hand drive car, which
Correct.
you've been wanting to start for a while, and you're getting started on that now.
Yes, I am. Everything's been done on this. It's had all new inners, outer seals, floors, wings, inner wings, boot floor. 9 times out of 10 these bumpers don't fit. And what I try to do, if you can, when you buy new ones, don't buy them chromed. Buy them unchromed, because they won't fit to the shell. And what I've done with these bumpers is tailor fitted the bumper to the shell. So now you know when you put the rubber on, they'll fit correctly. And what I'm doing now is just starting to set the lights up. You get the basic position of the wing, and now I've started to set the back light up so there's literally no gap there. So when you put your seal on, it will have a perfect fit.
Okay, so we're going to come back to this project in months and years to come.
I would have thought so.
There's been a great deal of progress on both cars that we saw last time.
Correct, that's it.
So
yes.
can we have a quick look at the opalescent golden
Sand. It's literally at the finishing stage now, which sometimes can be a pain, because I've set all the suspension up, test driven it, and the car seems fine, but it needs to settle a little bit more before I can check all the caster angle and the camber angle and the tracking. I absolutely love wire wheels. I think they're the most stunning type of wheel you can get in your life. Chrome wire wheels on a car are wonderful. Actually, for driving, there's too much flex in them. So that's why I bought Realm, the D-type wheels, and it transforms the car.
It wasn't original equipment.
No, it wasn't, no. But they're absolutely marvellous. On a solid wheel, these cars are transformed. Although I love the wire wheels.
Right. Well, we did talk about starting the car. Is
Yes.
the car ready to start? Can we have a go?
Yes, we can have a go, yes. I'll just connect the power. Right, ignition. Fuel pump is pumping away. Choke is on. And here we go.
What a beautiful sound. And let's be honest, we didn't try this before, did we? This was the first time we did it.
Absolutely,
Yeah,
yes.
unbelievable.
Absolutely, yeah.
There's a car coming back to life after all those years.
You can see that now, and see the water.
Yeah.
So it's condensation. I'm a bit annoyed because it's I fitted a new exhaust system, and there's a nice blow in one of the front downpipes, so I've got to take that off and repair it.
Well, we left it last time when it wasn't even upholstered, so I think you told me something about how you'd had to resuscitate the leather.
Yes, I did. It's a shame because I didn't show you the seats beforehand, but the seats are black, but they were totally dirty. All the colour had gone out of them, and I bought a fitting kit and rejuvenated the seats, which I was really pleased with. They've come up, I think, very nice. David, I'm not too sure. I mean, I love those wing mirrors or door mirrors, but I think now I would have left them off because it loses the pure shape of the car.
But the decision's been made now.
The decision's been made, you know, so that's it really.
How's the silver one been going?
It went off to the trimmers and it's come back trimmed.
Is this going to have wire wheels on it?
Yes, it is. All the teething problems and fitting them up, I went to wind the window up and down on the driver's side, and the regulator, which is absolutely brand new, has decided to break. So I've had to send that off.
And this went out professionally to be trimmed, and it took about, what, 3 months or so to come back?
Yes, it did. Yes, about that. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, it did. Yeah.
It's got an alternator, of course.
Yeah, well, all 4.2 E-types have alternators.
I see.
It's only the 3.8 that has a dynamo.
Ah, right, so that's original.
Yes.
And this car's had difficulty with some of the chromes, hasn't it? Fitting?
Yes, it has, yeah. Again, around the bottom of the screen, they just do not fit round this corner correctly, so I've had to take it all off and try and figure out what I'm going to do.
How about the rear bumpers, were they okay?
Well, again, the rear bumpers fitted because I tailor fitted them to the car, so I know they fit, and the same as the back lights. They're very awkward. They're a very awkward car. They're quite a delicate car, but once they're done properly, I think they do look very nice. I should have years ago opened up a garage that restored Jaguar E-types. I should have done that, because that is my pride and joy. I do like the bloody things.